Is there any audience questions? Please give us audience questions. These are live audience questions, except we have one.
Wow.
Okay, May wants to know what the best ranking we can give a leaf is. I think
Obviously,
infinity out of 1.
9 out of 9.
Oh, true, 9 out of 9.
9 out of 9.
Yeah.
What about 9
Yeah, I
to
think
the
it's
power
that. I
of
think it's
9 out
that.
of 9?
Whoa.
No, it's 9
Yeah,
to
that's
the power
pretty
of
high.
9 to the power of 9 to the power of 9 out of 9. Wait, it's just like 9, 9, 9.
No, 9 to the power of 9, like 9 times out of 9. Next question. Yeah, I'll change the question a bit, like for the first question. What is the best leaf that you've tried so far? And we'll answer the question, we'll ask the question again later in the season.
Yeah, we're gonna make you wait for it.
When I was at
Get
your
hyped.
house, Chloe, and there's that leaf that tastes like lemons.
That was pretty.
really good.
That was pretty cool. Yeah.
It was really sour.
Wait, the
though.
lemon?
Yeah, the lemon
The
one
lemon
is really good because it tastes different. And the sweet one is really good too.
Yeah, if you mix them together, it tastes like lemon candy.
That was
If you eat a lot of them, though, it tastes really strong, and it makes you want to die, but you have to just have a little bit. Anyway, next question. Whose idea was this? I don't know. Why did we start eating leaves?
well, it started
I think
with
it was part of
just-
the ASMR to make me mad.
Yeah, we kept. I don't even remember what happened. It was
Oh,
all
yeah,
a blur.
I think we were talking about eating leaves.
No,
I
what
think
you...
I said something about how we used to eat the leaves in the pretend salads we made at school.
Oh yeah.
And then we started eating the leaves.
Oh, also,
and then
try
And now
this
we're-
grass. My grass tastes really bad. It tastes way worse than, like, the school
yes, and then we ended up eating a lot more leaves than we originally planned.
Didn't you
and
get
it turned
sick?
into a podcast.
Pardon?
Didn't someone get sick?
No.
From eating
My
grass.
tongue went numb.
Yeah.
But then it got better after that.
It just my
And-
mouth hurt after, but it was fine. I
That would
didn't get
make
actually
sense
sick.
that it...
This is why you have to look up and make sure that the leaves that you are eating are not going to make you sick.
Yes.
Pro tips.
Because there could be some poison.
Pro tips,
Amazing.
don't eat the poisonous flowers.
Pro tip, never eat poison ivy. You will...
Disclaimer: we are not responsible for any leaf-related health issues that may occur after you
Watch this
listen to this podcast. Yeah.
Why did I say watch?
Well, we are putting it on YouTube, so I guess you could stare at the picture
Yeah.
for a
Yeah.
really long time.
What thumbnail are we gonna use?
I'm
Very important.
gonna draw a leaf.
Whoa.
Well,
That's-
one or like multiple.
I'll just draw a really nice leaf. Hopefully, if I can.
Good plan. Good plan.
Also, funny story about looking up the leaves before you eat them. One of the leaves that I was planning on eating, I searched it up, can put a pig into a coma if they eat enough of them. I'm really happy I didn't eat that leaf.
Well,
And then I found the actual food leaves that were in my backyard.
yeah, I decided to stop eating, for now at least, not eat the leaves from things that aren't edible. So that's why I just got a bunch of edible leaves over here, because I have a lot of edible leaves in the backyard. But I think eventually I'm going to start eating actual tree leaves, because they'll run out.
Leaf, leaf, leaf.
Do we have any leaf trivia book?
The first question is true or false, cacti don't have leaves.
Um,
I feel like...
I'll just say true. I'm just gonna guess.
I feel like that's true. I've never seen a cactus with leaves.
Yeah, I've only seen them with flowers.
Yeah. But flowers have leaves.
No, they have petals. Different.
I'm gonna say
Well,
no, because I
sometimes
feel like it's
they
just
have-
like thorns. I'm gonna go with
Yeah.
false.
Anyway,
Mhm.
what's the answer?
Okay, cacti do have leaves, although they're not always visible.
Interesting.
Sometimes they're really, really small, but some cacti actually have fairly big leaves. I did not know
Well, I
that.
feel like it just depends where you find the cacti.
Yeah, I guess.
Well, that's interesting.
Okay. Question 2.
Like, most of them can live without the leaves.
The
so-
very top of the
or
leaf.
they have to live
The
without
very
them.
top of the leaf has a thin coated waxy surface. What is the name of this leaf part? Cuticle, stoma, epidermis layer, or upper ring?
The third one, I don't know.
Okay.
I
actually
don't even remember the options now.
I don't even
same.
know what the answer is, actually, because they have to give you back the answers after the quiz. So hold on. I'll get back to you.
I have more questions here that I actually know the answers to.
Okay, next
Okay, yeah, let's
question.
do that.
Okay, next question. Marshmallows are made from marshmallow plants.
Okay, I actually looked this one up when I was at my cottage because my aunt wanted to know where the name marshmallow came from, and I looked it up and it said that it was the marshmallows, and like back in the day, they were made from the mallow plant that was in the marshes. So, I don't know. They're from the mallow plant, not marshmallow plant.
When I searched it up, it was actually called the marshmallow plant.
They might have
although I'm
changed the name
guessing
because
some
of
people just call it mallow plants. But yes, that is true.
I have knowledge.
And I didn't know that either. I kind of just thought they were sugar.
Yeah, well, they changed it, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I have the answers to the questions now.
Oh, okay.
So,
which layer?
this leaf part, oh wait, it was cuticle, but the second one is, this leaf part is transparent. It allows light to pass through the section where most of the photosynthesis reaction takes place. What is the name of this colorless leaf part? Cuticle or epidermis layer?
Cuticle.
like-
I don't know.
I don't know.
A second option.
It's the second one. It's epidermis layer.
Nice.
Pretty.
So I got it right.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Wow,
Leaf
I'm
things.
smart.
Yeah.
Leaf facts.
A. Wait, all living plants, no matter their age, color, maturity, or size, have chlorophyll in their leaves. True or false?
Sure. I don't know.
True?
I
so
feel
true?
like I learned this like in grade 3, but I just don't remember.
Oh, it's false. It's
Okay.
actually false. So.
Well, I did not pass grade 3 apparently.
That's quite unfortunate.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Book, do you have any other questions?
I feel like
yeah,
if
I
you
have
could
one
fail,
that I actually
would
really
have.
like. It's Tortoise moths, also called leaf roller moths, because they fold or roll leaves around themselves to make like a little house.
Sure. Wait, what?
Yeah.
What's the question?
It's true or false. Do you think I
Yeah.
made that up or no?
That sounds
I feel like
real.
it's true.
Yes, it is real.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I feel like. Oh, okay, not this episode because I haven't looked anything up, but next episode we have to have a section where I explain leaf cutter ants because it's ants and leaves, two good things.
That sounds fantastic.
We need a episode where we talk about 9, just the number.
But this is Leaf
and 9
Podcast.
leaves.
We've brought 9 leaves with us.
Oh yeah.
We could talk
9
about
leaves.
plants that have 9
wait.
leaves on them.
Microscopic openings in the leaf regulate the gas exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. They also allow
like we need-
transpiration of the leaf to occur. What is this opening called?
The hole.
Cactus.
It's called a stoma. It's
Oh,
like
I would
those
never
little
get
things that.
Actually,
Yeah.
okay, question. What rhymes with orange? It's something to do with leaves.
Uh-oh.
I at some point knew this, but I don't know it anymore.
I do.
Sporange.
Pardon?
Sporange.
No.
Whoa.
Is it that?
It's
Oh, wait. It starts with an S. It
Yes.
starts with an S. I know it starts with an S. And it's like spore or something, but
Yeah, it's
it's gotta be.
sporange.
It's gotta be sporange.
I said that, and you're like, no.
I thought you said sporange. It's sporange.
No, I said sporange. It's like the part of the fern.
Yeah. Sporange.
Well, it's like spores that like are airborne.
Yeah. So whenever someone asks what rhymes with orange, just scream leaf, because it's orange.
Because I remember the other
Just
day,
scream leaf.
my dad was angry because
Angie?
there was a plant somewhere that had like weird mold on it, and he was like, the spores are gonna like be airborne and float over to my weed plants, and he was angry about it. So yeah,
Is there any more trivia questions?
probably.
Look.
I've been
Lamella is the name for an unstacked thicolloid. What do lamella connect together? 2 chloroplasts or 2 grana? Or grana?
I don't know.
Get it.
First one.
No.
Okay.
It's 2 grana.
Nice.
So it's the second one. Yeah.
Okay, I have one that's kind of leaf question. So you know how the leaves on plants, they grow pointing towards the sun?
Yeah.
True or false, the roots do the same thing, but away from the sun?
I mean,
I don't think so.
They grow towards the water, so I mean, if the sun is there, that's gonna dry up the water. So maybe.
I don't think they do it on purpose, though. Maybe I think they just like kind of.
They just go
just, like-
towards the water. So I don't
Yeah.
know. That's my answer. It's not true or false. It's just they go towards the water.
I'd
Yeah,
say false.
Chloe is right. They do
Okay.
kind of grow away from the sun. I probably should have researched a bit more and figured out if it was because of the sun or because of the water. But
I think it's because
that
of the
is
water.
true.
Wow, I'm smart. Leaf.
big brain.
Leaves are usually broad and thin or narrow and thin. This allows the oxygen to travel shorter distances to reach the chloroplasts. True or false?
I don't know. It's true.
True?
No,
Okay.
Aw.
it's false.
It seems plausible. So
It sounds like it makes sense, but it actually doesn't because that's not right. So yeah.
well, is there any more trivia?
Chlorophyll is located inside the chloroplast. True or false? This
No.
one's kind of easy.
I don't know. I didn't hear the
False?
question. So
I don't know.
Chlorophyll is located inside the chloroplast. We learned about this in science class, I think, so it's kind of easy.
Do you
But-
think I remember the things we learn in science class?
No, and neither do I, but it just sounds like something that we might know.
I'm gonna
I'm
say
gonna-
false.
I'll
Okay.
say true then.
It's false.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
I have a trivia question. It's not to do with leaves. It's to do with the maple leaves. Toronto
Whoa.
maple leaves. Okay. Where was
Wow.
Matt Sundin born? Finland, Sweden, Canada, or Estonia?
The last
Finland.
one.
I'm gonna
Finland.
say Finland as well.
It doesn't say the answer, so we're just gonna.
Good job!
Nice preparation.
This is some
Wow.
excellent trivia we've got.
Yeah, I know, right? We're just so good at
Clap,
this
clap,
segment.
clap, clap,
We
clap.
have the best questions, but none of the answers.
Yeah.
Well, I just had to like
Amazing.
randomly
Most of them
answer
for
all
leaves,
of the
there's
ones.
a bunch of scientific names, so we're just like, if I don't know, I guess. We need some questions that we actually might get the answer to, like the marshmallow one and
Okay,
stuff.
I'm gonna look up a different one. We're gonna.
Okay, I have one more on my list.
Okay.
Leaves
Lawnmower?
can repair really small cuts, and when they get dried out, they can, like, moisturize. I don't know, that's not the right word.
Moisture.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
False.
Oh,
You're all wrong.
that's so sad.
Haha. When they
Aw.
get damaged, they're damaged for the rest of their life. There are no leaf hospitals, unfortunately.
Aw.
Aw. Oh, I have a question. True or false? Leaves turn different colors inside the fall in Canada.
Yeah. They
True.
do.
I think
do
this
that.
is probably false.
How? You got it wrong. It was true.
Wow.
Gasp.
Okay, I'm running out of trivia here. This is not very good.
We
I'm
should do
out
some
of trivia.
facts.
Oh, I have a question. True or false? I have finished my celery.
True.
Interesting. question here. I mean, I'm looking at my leaves, and all of them are like half eaten. So I guess I'll say false.
It is false, but that's only because I had a really big piece. I'm still eating it now.
I'll eat some of my sage, even though it tastes... Never mind, I'm not eating my sage. It tastes gross. I'll eat some thyme. Yeah, the texture does not feel very nice with thyme. It's still fine out of 10.
Which of the following trees produce conkers?
Option 3. I don't even know the
I'm
options.
gonna go
just
with option 9.
Option
Oh yeah.
2. I don't know. What are the
I'm gonna
options?
give you some options. Chestnut, oak,
Oh, it's chestnut. It's chestnut. It's
birch,
chestnut. It's
or
chestnut.
pine. But
Why
what
should it be
about
chestnut?
Sure, chestnut.
Michael seems to know what he's talking about, so I'll go with
tree.
that.
You guys want to see some pictures of conkers?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Book, you have to edit the photo in whenever...
I know.
I'm gonna hit you with some fresh conkers. Boom.
Oh, wow. Oh, actually, okay.
Oh yeah, I've seen those. They have...
I have something to say now. Haha. One time, when I was really young, me and my brother was like, oh, wow, look at these green things. Whenever we would walk with my grandma, because she had a bunch of those trees by her house. And then so she decided to open one time, and her hands were stained green for weeks after. So, life hack, do not try to open them. Your hands will be stained green forever.
The more you know.
Unless you want your hands stained green.
That'd be kind of cool.
I mean...
You could really scare people. You could be like, I have a serious infection. Look at my hands have turned green.
You can get out of gym class.
Yeah.
Yeah, but do you want to?
Yeah.
It depends. If we're doing volleyball, then I want to get out.
Yeah.
I usually want to get out. I can't think
Volleyball's
of a
fun.
scenario where I wouldn't want to. Oh.
If we're doing something like hockey or something, and I'm on the bad squad, then sure, I'll stay.
Look, this one's spiky.
On the bad squad? Do you like being on the bad team?
Yeah, obviously, because I'm bad anyway. So at least I'll be like...
If you're on the good team, then nobody passes it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Well, honestly,
good players.
I'm a good player, so like any team I'm on is the good team.
A flex.
Definitely.
Yeah, whenever you're on a team with good people, they just... I always feel like I'm in their way, and I just want to, like...
It's true, though.
But...
also, look at this spiky conker.
Wow.
Look at him.
I've never seen a spiky one in the wild. I've only seen the smooth ones.
That's nice.
Conker.
Insert photo here.
Okay, like, you have 15 seconds to say whatever else is on your mind.
Okay,
9 is the best number.
Yeah.
And don't if you don't want to. I don't know how to
do that.
Subscribe to the podcast!
Please! Okay.
We're not on any platform except YouTube.
You should make like a Spotify account.
No, too much effort.
I'd have to make an RSS feed. That's too much work, Michael.
Oh, that's effort. No one...
Thank you for listening to the Leef Podcast. Leef is a production of Book, Chloe, and others. Our intro and outro song is Blippy Trance by Kevin MacLeod. Our editor is Book, and our podcast artist is Chloe. This episode is starring Book, Chloe, and Scarlett, and has Michael as a guest. Thank you to trees and other plants for producing leaves. This podcast would not be possible without you.